Look. Dylan. Dylan, look. Dylan, what's this? What's this?
Puppy.
Yeah.
Open it.
You want me to read it? The birthday puppy puppet just heard you're turning 2, and so he asked his favorite friends to say hello to you. He told them all that there will be 2 candles on your cake. Do you know what he told them? What sound do doggies make?
Woof.
This cute and cuddly kitty cat just loves to run and play. And if she wished you birthday fun, what would this kitty say?
Meow.
And how about this little pig? No, stay up. A pig who loves a muddy mess. What birthday wish do piggies make? Just bet that you can guess. Dylan, piggies?
Oink.
Being 2 is lots of fun with birthday games like this. Now take your turn, Dylan.